and today in front of me is DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face here, face recognition, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast, just it works good and correct. But I just want to try one more just wait to unlock the device because I set up my fingerprint recognition with the glasses, and now I'll try to unlock the device without of them. So let's try. Okay, as we can see, that also works correct. Now I suggest you to try this unlock method, but just don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.